Hello guys. So today we will see how to apply retrace concept in Playwright. So you all guys know, right? If you have worked with site testing, like you might have come across retrace option. So Playwright also have the same thing, retrace. Suppose now what I'm doing, I'm running single test case. Okay, I have created some scripts, right? Or take any test case, get by text. Okay, copy this relative path. Mm. npx playwright test. Okay, provide this hyphen headed mode. I'm running in the headed mode. Okay, okay. The playwright execution is started. See, the test is faster, right? Okay, get by text, right? Close all other files. We are getting confused. Okay, now here intentionally I'm failing. So whatever the get by text, the text, no, I missed it, and again I'm running it. So intentionally I am failing, but retrace when we use no suppose some flaky tests are running means the script is correct where it fails we don't know, so sometimes it will happen, right? There might be sync issues or some flaky test come no? Where it fails we don't know that time when we apply retrace, right? But still fast. So get by text only, right? Get by text. Okay, okay, get by text, it is, I think partial text also it is accepting. Okay, get by text dashboard. Partial text also it is accepting. So I'm intentionally failing here. Visible, run it. See, to avoid flaky tests and synchronization issues and all, we don't know, no, the test case will fail. The test case script is correct, but we don't know where the test case fails. At the time, no, instead of after executing running for the second time, if you apply the retrace, no, what will happen? It will run two times. In the first run, if it fails, it will pass in the second run. That is the concept. But intentionally, I can't show this example. Intentionally, I'm showing. So by run, we can't reproduce this kind of scenario. But intentionally, I'm showing I'm failing. But when you are running in your suit level, no, some synchronization is like it is now. It will, even if it fails in the first run, it will execute in the second run. It will process. So during real time, we are applying this retries in our test suite. So it works fine. Okay, now this is working fine. This there is a failure rate now. This is the intentional I fail. Okay. Yes. Now the same here hyphen I do more give hyphen retrace two two times. Retrace means two times. Suppose this test case is running for the first time if it is failing. But again run for the retrace two means it will run for the after there will be one execution. After that retrace two means two times it will execute if there is a failure. Okay, if it is a pass one, it will run within a single shot and it will go to the next test case. If it is failing in the first trial, next there are two, we are asking retry two times, let it run. Let it pass in the two times. But this way is going, this scenario is going to pass when there are flaky tests or some synchronization issues. Now I am failing intentionally, but to see how retrace will happen. Retrace will work here. Two times it will execute. Hmm, apart from main run. Okay. This is better to have two times. So one time, if you are providing one time it may pass, one time it may fail. But it is better to have two times. It will execute two times, and it may cover our execution. Okay, see, this is the main run, and retry one it executed. It failed again. Retry two. It executed. See, we are failing intentionally, right? It is failed. In case in run one it failed, retry one it will execute. If it is a flaky test or if it is a synchronization issue, it may pass here. Then it will come out of this execution. Retry two it will not execute. Or if it is passing in the first run only, then these two will get ignored. Retry one, retry two will get ignored even if you provide in the command. Okay. This is a helpful session, guys. So retries, it is better to have retry this command. It is better to have retry command, this command for your execution. And also, I'll create npm script for this. Okay, copy this. Can I copy? Create an npm script for it. Retrace for all tests. Run retrace tests. Okay. Now I'll copy the script, provide it here. I retrace tests. So it will run all the test cases. If anyone is like trying to fail, if anyone is trying to have synchronization issues, no, then it will run two times and it will. So this is the concept of retries. Okay. The get by text, no, this is the one. See, retry one, retry two. We have created the script also. I think this session is very helpful, guys. Thank you.